This video is about GExp, a tool for cost-aware graph exploration with keywords. This is a byproduct of a research we are doing in DB Group at WSU. Every day, we all do keyword search using search engines such as Google. Those try to find documents or web pages contain user-provided keywords. However, GExp deals with large heterogeneous graphs where entities are nodes and the relationship between them are edges. All nodes and edges have type information such as university, scientist, actor, born in, and graduated from. Assume a user aims to find relationship among scientists via various passes. A keyword search searches for the name of two scientists. It returns a set of substructures from data graph, color-coded as blue, red, and orange in this figure. All contains the name of those scientists in nodes called content nodes, and a cost is associated to each answer based on the distance among content nodes. Assume user wants to explore more about two of these answers, one rooted at Nobel Prize and another USA. There are different keywords a system may suggest. Another award winner scientist, also in graph G but far from validated answers, named as Ricardo Betti. This will produce answers with high cost which make it less interpretable. A system may suggest keywords that co-occurred with content nodes such as scientist. However, thousands of scientists exist in graph from different areas. This makes the time cost of the search expensive. Furthermore, it may not add new information to the previous answer. A better suggestion seems to be Emilio-Segre that is close to validated answers if added to the previous keywords produce answers that have a reasonable cost. This answer is interpretable since one can say this scientist also won Nobel Prize and has a relationship with USA. GExp has multiple components that are responsible to get input from a user and finding the keyword search answers. Another component is a cost-aware keyword search expansion, which discover and suggest those keywords. An incremental evaluator that updates old answers to the new ones that contain new selected keyword. GExp supports different keyword search query classes and provided an almost general solution for all of them. Keyword search query classes including trees with distinct roots and content nodes in their leaves, Steiner trees and arc-leaks. The difference is cost function and type of the answer. Let's look at these two examples here and then we go for a quick demonstration of a software. The first example is from IMDb dataset where nodes are actor or actresses, movies, genres, and edges are played at or genre of. A user searches for two actresses named Chastain and Hathaway and selects top two answers rooted at Chelsea Lately, which is a TV series, and The Graham Norton Show, which is a talk show. By exploration, GExp suggests Taylor Swift as another co-player of them. This led user to search for three of them from scratch and find other production such as El Hormiguero that all played in it. The other example is about tuning the exploration. A user may search for Turing, Donald Knuth, and Stanford with R2 or exploration equal to 2 and cost bound 0.75. Sedgwick suggested to the user that is Knuth's student and also from Stanford. By increasing cost bound, one can get Ron Rivest, which is another Turing Award winner and alumni of Stanford, but doesn't have direct relationship with Knuth. Increasing cost-bound and exploration range can suggest much more keywords that among them cryptography is field of Ron Rivest, less relevant to Knuth, Turing Award, and Stanford, but let user to explore more in these large graphs. Illustrate the software. The software has three main panels. Configuration panel, where user input or formulated the search. The second panel is display, where user can see the results of the search. And the last one is suggested keywords, when user can see the suggested keywords. User may select from different datasets that here for now we have Wikipedia and IMDb, or can select from different keyword search query classes. Ask for maximum number of top answer or maximum number of suggested keywords. An exploration range which is related to keyword search query classes, which says how much content node can be far from each other. Relevancy functions that can affect the ranking of the suggested keywords. A cost bound, which I will explain it later. So let's start with this example. A user can input the name of these two scientists as two different keywords that should be separated with a comma. Each keyword can have one or multiple tokens that can be separated by a space. User can start search. Here, user got top 3 answers, which says these two scientists came from the field of physics, both are Nobel Prize winner and both came from United States. Users are interested about Nobel Prize winners and also about United States. So users select these two answers and start exploring. Any keyword suggested here guaranteed to have this cost. Basically, if a user add this keyword to the search, the total cost of these answers will be 6. For now, the cost of these answers are 4 because each answer has 2 edges. So in total, we have 4, and cost bound will determine or specify this. If user click on search, GExp incrementally update these answers to new ones. This suggests a new scientist which is Nobel Prize winner and also have some relationship with US. User can keep doing this and explore more about these two answers. For example, he can select this one, which is the date of a death for another scientist. Green color shows the new part that added to the previous answers. User can keep doing this or roll back to explore more about another keywords. Let's go to another example with another keyword search query class. A user may search for Knuth, Award, and Stanford to get some R-clicks. After search, we get top 3 R-clicks here with different costs. The first one has cost 4 because the pairwise distance between content nodes is in total 4. So a user may say, I am interested in the first answer, and then try to explore more about it. First, let me decrease exploration range, which doesn't allow me to find some keywords that have more than one hop of content nodes. Here, by exploring, I only get Sedgwick, not Ron Rivest. But if I increase this, the number of keywords will be more and I get also Ron Rivest. So first, let's start with Sedgwick. This introduced something interesting, that's saying Robert Sedgwick was a student of Donald Knuth because it's connected in one hop. That's why he came from Stanford University, and he is also Turing Award winner. That's why this keyword is very close to these three keywords. User can keep exploring more about this. If user decrease the cost bound, he cannot get any suggested keywords that are close to these four keywords. So we explore still with the same cost bound. And what we get is request. We add it here and we search. User can keep doing this by changing exploration range and getting new keywords. Let's go to another example, this time from IMDb dataset. A user searched for Jessica and Hathaway. What the user gets are all movies or shows that these two actresses co-played together. We select Norton Show and Chelsea Lately, and then explore. Here we get some suggested keywords that classified or categorized based on the type of the notes. For example, we may get comedy, we may get Taylor Swift as an actress, or we may get another movie. So we can select Taylor and search. What we get is that, oh, Taylor Swift also co-played with these two actresses in these movies. If we change keyword search query class, we can interpret it in a different way and get different answers. For more information, please read our demo paper in SIGMOD 2018 or our AP Web VAME paper in 2018. Thanks for viewing this video.